In this video, I'm going to show you how to demo trade on BloFin. Now to do this, first you want to sign into your account, and then when you open the dashboard, you want to go to Futures up top, and then you want to go to the bottom where it says Demo Trading. So just click on that, and this is going to take you into the Demo Trading dashboard. Now the very first thing you have to do to actually be able to start demo trading is of course get some demo funds. To do this, you want to go to the top right where it says Assets, and you want to click on Spot or Futures. I'm going to go with Spot right now. You want to click on that, and then from here you'll be able to basically deposit. So click on Adjust Funds over here in the top right, and you can then just go ahead and basically type in how much you want to have. So it tells you how much you can have. I'm just going to put on, for example, 100K over here, and I'm going to put on, let's just do 1 BTC, and then let's do 5 ETH, okay? Then you want to click on Confirm, and there we go. Success. It now says how much I have on here. Now whenever you've done this, you can then go to Futures over here as well, and of course you'll be able to do the same thing inside Futures over here too. Then you want to go to a demo trading. So of course if you go back, if I go to Spot over here, for example, like this, it's going to go to my demo trading again, and now I do have enough funds to actually start trading. So over here, you can select whatever asset you want. You have futures, you have spot. I'm going to go with spot right now, and let's actually trade some ETH USDT. So I'm just going to click on here, and it's going to pop up ETH USDT on my chart, and I can then go and buy or sell over here on the chart directly, or I can just go and use this trading panel over here on the right, which I do think is a bit more convenient. So it's up to you. You can then select if you want to buy or sell. And of course, you have order types, you have limit, you have market, and you have different other ones as well over here, like trigger, TPSL, or scaled order. I'm going to go with market right now, and what we're going to do here, we're going to actually pick something simple. The amount here is going to be 0.1 ETH, okay? Then you simply want to click on demo buy or demo sell. You have to confirm your order, and there we go. As you can see, it says order placed, and you've successfully started trading with demo funds on BloFin. You can do the same when you go to limit. You can just set your limit price and of course the amount and stuff like that, and then you can go ahead and sell or buy and do the demo sell or buy again. Okay, so that's essentially how to demo trade on BloFin. It's super simple. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.